Hey, welcome to Digital Access Pass. My name is Veena Prashant. Now, DAP is a membership and LMS plugin for WordPress. Today, I'm so excited to introduce to you AI features that we have added in DAP. It's going to help you create your online courses, online challenges, PDF report, eBook, whatever it is that you want to create. You can now do this in like less than 2 minutes. And obviously, it's going to use the power of AI to do this. And I cannot wait to show you what we have done. I'll just say this before I take you to the backend and show you what we have done. Starting an online business is easier than ever, right? With all the updates that's happening in the tech field, in the AI field, if you don't like AI, you're simply going to be left behind. We don't want that to happen to our customers. So here with DAP, all the updates we are making to DAP, what we did already with Smart Quiz Builder, with all the AI features we added to Smart Quiz Builder, our main goal is to make sure that you are the best tools, right? Where integration with AI is all there so that you don't have to worry about learning AI and figuring out how to use it. All you have to do is use our tools and it will use the power of AI to build things for you, right? That's our main goal. If you want your content to stand out, use the power of AI to build it out, and that's a great starting point. But that's not what you should be launching, right? Then edit the content, make updates to it, add your own flavor to it, because your story, your experience, your skills, that's going to matter, right? In this crowded marketplace where people are launching their stuff every single day, you're going to be left behind if you don't launch your stuff quickly. What will help you stand out is your expertise, your knowledge, and your connections with your audience. How much you help people get results. That is what is going to matter more than ever, right? So keep that in mind. Now let me take you to the back end to show you how you can use the power of AI to build out your courses, challenges, PDF report, ebook, whatever you want, quickly and easily within like 2 minutes. All right, let's take a look. All right, so this is the back end of DAP. When you go to DAP products page and you click on membership products and click on create a new product, you will see that there are two different options: create a product from scratch or create it using AI. And similarly, when you want to create your online course, when you click on it, it's going to say create course from scratch or create it using AI. So say that you're using the AI option, right? There are a few things you have to do first before you can use it. So let me go through that first, and then I'll show you how this whole thing works. So number one, you need to have access to the AI add-on, and there are a few ways you can get access to it. If you are a DAP Elite member, meaning if you have a DAP Elite license, monthly or annual, then you don't have to do anything. No action required. You'll be able to unlock the AI features automatically. But if you don't have DAP Elite license, and in that case, you can sign up for this AI add-on, you will be able to purchase it outside of your DAP license. And once you purchase it, nothing else is required. As long as you have it in your account, as long as you have purchased it, DAP will know it, and it will automatically activate those AI features for you. No action required. You don't really have to download any plugin or do anything with it. As long as you purchase this AI add-on, it will automatically activate the AI features in your DAP account. And number two, there are two different ways you can do this. You can use the ChatGPT version, which is this one, or you can use the OpenAI API version, which is this one. If you use the ChatGPT version, it's completely free. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is copy paste whatever prompts we give you into ChatGPT, copy back whatever prompts ChatGPT gives you into DAP, and that's it. You just have to do once or twice, that's it, and it'll be done for you. And as far as this one, you need to have an OpenAI account to do this, and you'll need a paid account. You'll need to purchase credits to be able to do this. It's not expensive, but it's not free either. If you don't want to spend on the OpenAI API calls, then you don't have to. But this one will completely automate it, which means you don't have to copy paste the prompt. Now let me show you how you can use AI to create your online courses and online challenges, and how you can use AI to create your PDF report, ebook, and all that. So this is the back end of DAP. This is the DAP product courses page. I'm going to show you how you can use the power of AI to create your online courses using DAP in like 2 minutes. And you can do the exact same thing for online challenges as well. So I'm going to say create a new course. Select this option, create course using AI, start. You want to use the ChatGPT version or you want to use the API version? Let's start with the API version, then we'll do this as well. All right, what's the course title? You can click on this for title ideas. You can click on this for goal ideas. These are the two things you need to enter about your course. What's the main title? What's the goal of this course? The goal of this course is to show my students step by step the best ways to build and grow their email list. And course structure, modules and lessons or just lessons. I'm going to say chapters and lessons, which is modules and lessons. Total modules in this course. Let's say we have a total of 2 modules in this course. Let's say we have a total of 6 lessons in this course. I'm going to say free here. This is a free course. You can make it a paid course and you can set the price if you want. You can select the language. And I'm just going to select English language. You can select whatever language you want. You can update the prompt if you want. And go ahead, click on next. All right, it's done. You can see there are 2 modules and there are 3 lessons in each module. You can select whichever one you want. And these are just like the name of the lesson and the description. This is not the full lesson content yet, but DAP will do that for you as well. So you can add more lessons in each module if you want. It'll use AI again to add more lessons if you want. You can add more modules if you want. All of that you can do here and finalize your outline first, right? This is your course outline. What exactly you want to have, table of content. This is the name of the module. These are the lessons. This is the name. This is the lesson and brief description about what each lesson is about, right? You can use this on your sales page, on your opt-in page to let people know these are the modules in my course. These are the lessons and this is what you will learn in each one of these lessons. You can add more if you want, as I mentioned. I'm just going to use these and you can select whichever ones you want. Let's say we pick 2 from the first module and let's say we pick 3 from the second one and create course. Are you ready to create the course? You can add content for each lesson in the next step. Like I said, you're going to add content because we have just created the outline here. So we will be adding content. And once you click on the create course button, you won't be able to go back because you have finalized the outline, right? So DAP is going to create all these pages in WordPress. So you cannot go back. Obviously, you can update and delete whatever you want later inside the DAP builder. And but you can always edit the modules and lessons and add and delete the lessons in the DAP builder backend. All right, done. So I picked 2 lessons in the first one. I picked 3 in the second one. So I have everything. Now you can add lesson content. Let's go ahead and do that. And this is the prompt for that. Generate. All right, done. Lesson content has been added to the first lesson, all using AI. I didn't have to do anything. Let's go ahead and preview it. Lesson has been built. Yes, right here. You can see your course is ready. Lesson 1. This is the lesson 1. Content is here. All done for you. Your lesson is ready. Your course outline is here. Everything is done for you. And all of this you can update in the backend, right? This is the starting point, as I mentioned. You got to add your images, your video, whatever else you want. But now you can see how easy it is to get started, right? You have a great starting point. And now you can go ahead and go to the backend and update the content as needed, add whatever you want, make it your own, right? That is what is going to help you differentiate yourself from competition, which is don't let the tech slow you down. It won't slow you down because you're using AI. It's all built for you, all done for you. But add your own expertise, add your own story, add your own skills, all the stuff that you know about the topic, create a video based on that and update the content based on that. And there is no stopping you, right? Because you'll be able to get things done so quickly now. All right. So this is first lesson done. And let's add one more lesson, content for one more lesson. And then we'll stop there because you can always add this in the backend. So you don't have to do it right now, right? You can always use AI in the DAP builder as well. So even if you are inside of the DAP builder and you're editing your course and adding more lessons, you can still use AI there, right? So this is really awesome because even if you don't do it yet, you're not ready to do this yet, you can always do this later. You don't have to do this now, all right? That's it, it's done. So I'm going to add the rest of the stuff later. I'll show you how to add this in the DAP builder. Next. Your course is ready. That's it. I think we spent like less than 2 minutes to do this. So now you can check out your course, or you can now go to the backend of the course and check out what it looks like. All right, this is the DAP backend, and this is the course builder. You can see this is the name of the course, description. You can update it later. Upload an image for your course, whatever image you want. I'm just going to upload a random image here, this one. Then next. So all of this has been set up for you, right? This course is completely built for you. You don't have to do much. And if you want to change the billing from a free course to a paid course, all that stuff, you can do that here if you want to. You can always change your mind, like I said, because everything can be updated once DAP has created it for you. You can update it. Course template. So here you can see these are the colors that DAP has automatically set for you, but you can always update it in the course template. Whatever colors you don't like, you can just click on course customizer, update the colors to match your brand colors. And also global customizer, click on this. And if you want to change the font family, font colors, all that stuff you can do here. So make all those updates here, right? You can always change all this stuff here. And the lesson builder here, you can see these are the lessons DAP has created for you, right? There are 3 in this one. There are 2 in the first one. You can change the drip setting if you want. You can change the name if you want. You can add a quiz if you want. And you can edit the lesson. Let's go ahead and edit the lesson. But we have already added the content here. Let's go ahead and edit these lessons where we didn't even add content yet, right? So let's go ahead and edit this lesson. And you can add more content. You can add more lessons. All right, so we are here, right? We didn't add any content yet, but you can see here inside of the lesson builder also you can use AI now. So click on it And you can select any one of these options. This time, let's pick ChatGPT, all right? Because we didn't do this earlier. Let's just use this now. So now you can see it gives you the prompt. Copy the code. So I have entered the prompt in ChatGPT and it's generating the content for me. All right, so that's done. So you can copy the code from here, right? And you need to make sure that you get code like this. Sometimes it might just give you a text-based response. You don't want that. You want a code-based response, something that looks like this, and make sure to copy the code, all right? And go back here to DAP, enter what you got from ChatGPT, save and close, and this is done, right? It has added this here, and go ahead and save it. We have added content to this lesson. If you click on this lesson now, you can see what it looks like. That's it. You can see this is ready, right? We didn't do it there initially, but now we use the ChatGPT version to add it. You can use AI version, you can use ChatGPT, however you want to add your content. It's all done for you. And now you can update the content as needed. And you can see here, the builder has automatically set a parent page for you. It's all organized under this parent page. What it's doing actually is it's taking the first letter, right? TULBC. So it's using the first letter from your course name to create a folder or create a parent page in WordPress by that name instead of a long parent page. It's just using that. And it's organizing everything under that. So everything is organized, all your URLs, it's all organized under that. So it's going to be easy for you to find everything because it's all going to be under this parent page. However, if you want to change it, you can change it. Click on update and you can change the parent page, right? You can change it to whatever name you want and to be all organized automatically under that parent. That's it, all right? And everything else is already done for you, like rules and settings. This is all set up. Access content is already set up. It will automatically send them to the first lesson. It's already set for you. Redirect is set to your dashboard. It's automatically set. And we will test this, and I'll show you what happens when users sign up for this. If you want gamification, right? You want to gamify your course. You can add animation and all the other options and make it really nice experience if you want. Let's do that, all right? Let's go ahead and pick any one of these templates. Let's pick this template just to show you, how you can create a nice experience. You can add whatever message you want, personalize it. I'm just going to do some basic stuff here and add gamification here as well. And pick a different template here and update the message if you want, whatever you want to say here. Save it. I've added it for 2 of my lessons out of the remaining. I'll add it later. Notifications. This is the welcome email they're going to get when they sign up, but you can update the content to whatever you want to say. Enter your email address here so DAP can send you an email when someone signs up for your course. And done. You don't have to do any of this because it's all done for you. That's it. It's all done. All right. Now let's go ahead and check out the first lesson here. All right. This is the first lesson of your course. And now we are going to test user experience. I want to show you what really happens when someone signs up, how they get access, where they get sent, and what happens next. Let's take a look. Now, there are a few different ways you can get people to sign up for your course, right? This is a free course. Obviously, you can make it a paid course if you want, and you can create a payment button to sell it and publish it on your sales page. But say that you have a free course and you want to allow people to be able to sign up for it, and you want to create a sign-up form. So there are a few ways you can do it. You can use DAP's form builder to create a sign-up form and get people to sign up. You can also use Smart Quiz Builder, which is what I typically do. I use SQB and I add a simple form to get people to sign up, ask a few questions to learn about them, and SQB integrates with DAP, so it will automatically give them access to the product in DAP. Let me show you how I have done it in SQB. This is the backend of Smart Quiz Builder, and here, this is the name of the quiz, doesn't matter. And I have selected form. This is a simple form. You can do this too. You don't have to create a quiz. You can just create a sign-up form. So I'm just going to show you that example here. I have connected it to DAP. See, it connects with DAP. You can select your product in DAP. I have selected my product in DAP, this one. And you can also connect it to your email platform, right? If you want, you can connect to your email platform as well. And lead generation, this is just a simple form. You can update it and deliver to your inbox. And next, thank you page. You can send them to this thank you page, or you can set redirect and you can send them to the member dashboard, right? You can directly send them to the member dashboard where they can find this product, or you can even send them to the first lesson, right? They don't even have to wait. You can just directly send them to the first lesson of your course. Let's do that. So this is my opt-in page, and this is just a dummy opt-in page. I have entered my shortcode here. This is where they will see the form to sign up. All right, you can see here, this is my opt-in page, just a dummy opt-in page, just to show you. I'm going to sign up here and I'm going to get instant access to the course in DAP. And I'll get sent to the first lesson because I will also be logged in because of the integration between SQB and DAP. Go ahead and sign up here. All right, so I signed up and I got sent here to the first lesson. And again, it's up to you where you send them after they sign up. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Mark as complete to see what happens next. You can see I have gamified it a little bit. It shows this message. And this lesson is done. You can go to the next lesson. I have added content just for 2 lessons so far, but you can add, using AI as I showed you. Go ahead and mark this one as complete. Another execution of this animated message. That's it. This is how it works. You can see how easy it is to create your course in no time. I spent just a few minutes and this course is ready. Obviously, I haven't added content for everything. And you should definitely update the content based on what you need. You can upload a different image if you want here. And colors, everything you can change. You can update the resources section to based on whatever resources you want to give them access to. But your course is pretty much done. So now let me show you how you can use the power of AI to automatically generate PDF report, ebook. You can do this in no time. Let me show you how you can do this. So this is the backend of DAP. Go to DAP products page and click on create a new product. Select product. Here there are 2 options. You can just create a product from scratch, or you can just use AI to do this, get started. And then if you want to make updates to it, you still can do it, but you can use this to quickly create your PDF report. There are 2 options here. You can use the ChatGPT version or you can use the API version. Let's say you're using the ChatGPT version. Click on use this. What's the title, right? What's the report title? Enter whatever you want. You can see some ideas here. You can click on it. For more ideas, if you are not sure, you can enter the topic and it's going to give you some ideas for your report title. 5 easy ways to grow your email list. I want to create a PDF report detailing step-by-step 5 ways to build and grow a list of qualified prospects, free or paid. Let's say it's a free report. You can make it paid if you want, no problem. Select language. Next, copy the code for ChatGPT and go back to ChatGPT and enter it there. All right, it's done. Be sure that if it says continue generating, make sure to click on it so it can complete generation of that report fully. Don't copy it until it's fully done. All right, copy the code, go back to DAP. Next, enter the code. Next is done. Now upload an image for your PDF report. This is for your first page of the PDF, last page. It's not required. You can skip this step, but it's going to look really nice, right? So it's going to make your PDF look really nice. So I would recommend uploading an image. So this is something you should actually do before you even start creating the PDF. I'm just going to select some random image here. Next. All right, this is the PDF. You have an opportunity to update the name of the PDF. You have an opportunity to update the contents. This is the automatically generated content. It's all done for you, right? You don't have to do anything. It's all here. If you want to update it, you can update it. Now you can check it. Just click on the check. It's going to show you what it's going to look like. This is the first page. This is just a random image I picked, but make sure that you have your title here, PDF title, whatever you want to say, the domain name, your name, author name, whatever you want to say, you should add that here to the first image, right? It looks really nice. But this is the content. It's automatically generated. It looks really good, right? It's all done for you. You don't have to do anything. This is the last image, last page. This is the image that I uploaded for the last page, and it's done. This is how easy it is to create a PDF report using DAP. And in the DAP setup config page, your API key and stuff or the AI stuff, you're going to enter that here under the AI powered features, right? If you want to use OpenAI APIs. But for the PDF stuff, under automated PDF generation, you can upload your logo image. You can change the colors, brand colors, whatever you want for your PDF. You can do that there and it's going to show up here. These are the colors that's being used here, all right? That's all. This is all you have to do. So PDF content looks good. If it doesn't look good, you can update it. And I'm ready, generate it. So what it will do is it will productize your report, which means it will create a product which will hold that PDF, which means no one can get to it unless they have signed up for that product because it's a membership site. So you can use DAP to create your free report and you can make sure that only people that have signed up for that freebie, only they are able to access it, right? Because DAP will automatically protect your PDF content. So you can download the PDF, it's ready. You can edit the product and update the settings. All right, you can see you can upload an image for your PDF, for your member dashboard. It's going to show there. And billing and access, if you want to make it a paid product, you can do that too. You can switch it and assign content. You can see here, this is what DAP created, right? Just now DAP generated this PDF and it has automatically protected it here. You don't have to do anything. It's all done which means no one can get to it unless they have signed up for this product, right? You have productized this report. Now, email notification, you can update this content if you want to let them know, thanks for signing up for this PDF. You now have access to it. You can log into your dashboard and access here. That's the benefit of a membership site, right? No matter what product they sign up for, free or paid, you can get them to always go to the membership dashboard so that, they can start learning about the whole membership stuff, whole membership experience. And they will also see what other stuff you have, right? What are the other products you offer from your membership site? You can get DAP to show them everything they don't yet have so that whatever they are interested in, they can sign up for it, right? That's the benefit of doing it all from a membership site. You get your users used to the whole membership site experience. And in the process, they're going to see all the other stuff you have. So you'll have the opportunity to upsell them other products and services, right? And so email stuff is here. If you want to set up follow-up emails through DAP, you can do that here. At some point, we are going to add AI here as well, where you'll be able to automatically generate a follow-up sequence using AI. You don't even have to manually create it. It's going to be so awesome. And so as you can see, everything is fully automated. The rules tab, you can see here, it's all here. Where do they go after they log in? It's all set up. And currently it is set up to send them directly to the PDF report so they can access it as soon as they log in. But if you want to send them all to the membership dashboard, you can update the redirect to member home so that when they log in, they are always sent to the member dashboard and they can go and access the PDF from there, right? Final step is the registration stuff where how do they sign up for this? So you have options. To get them to sign up, you can use DAP's form builder and it will give you a short code, publish it on your opt-in page. You can use SQB. This is what I do for all my products. You can get them to sign up through SQB. You can see here, this is the opt-in page. I have published the short code from SQB right here. This is a sign-up form that I generated in SQB. It looks pretty nice, right? And when they sign up through this, they are going to be sent to, wherever you have configured DAP to send them. So depending on your setting here in the rules tab, if you say redirect them to the member homepage, that's where they will go. If you say redirect them directly to the PDF, that's where they will get sent. And also for the latest on the pricing, go to openai.com/pricing, go to their pricing page because this is not controlled by DAP, right? So this pricing stuff controlled by them. This is what DAP uses currently, but this might change in future as they make more updates and we have more options. We'll add more options for you in the backend as well. So currently this is what DAP uses, GPT 3.5 Turbo. And there are two different options here. DAP will allow you to configure which one you want to use. 16K is what we recommend. It's faster. 4K is slightly slower than the 16K version. And price difference is not that much, just a little bit difference in price. 16K is a little bit more expensive. You can decide, which one you want to use. And it doesn't matter what you use. You should be able to create like 20 reports or like 10 different courses for like $1. It's not going to be expensive at all. And you can also set a max limit in your OpenAI account so that if it exceeds beyond that, then, it will not charge you for it. And then you can switch back to the ChatGPT version until the next month. So once you create your OpenAI account, right, log in, click on API and go to your profile under personal, under your profile dropdown, you will find your API keys here, right? You will need this and you will have to enter this in DAP. But before you do this, you need to first sign up for their paid account, right? So go to View API Keys. It will bring you here. Click on Billing. And here, currently it says, I have a paid account, right? So it's saying cancel the paid account. So if you want to cancel it, you can easily cancel it with the click of a button. If you don't have it yet, right? If you don't have a paid account, it's going to say sign up for a paid account. And then you can simply click on it, enter your card details, and quickly sign up for a paid account. After you sign up for your paid account, you can set monthly spend limits. You can set it to like $5. And you can say max, don't spend more than this, right? So it's up to you what limits you set for OpenAI. So you can say like, I just want to spend this much and I don't want to exceed this every month. So you can do that. So it's pretty awesome because you get to decide, how much you want to spend on this. So after you create your paid account, right, the next thing you need to do is get your API keys, go to API keys here and generate a new API key. Generate it after you convert it into a paid account. So if you had an API key from before, and then you switch to a paid account, signed up for a paid account, don't use the old one, create a new one. Get a new secret key, all right? Once you get the key, go back to DAP and go to the DAP setup config page. Under AI-powered features, enter the key that you get back from OpenAI. That's it, all right? Enter that here. The model is by default selected to 16K. This is the faster model, but you can switch to this if you want to spend a little bit less, switch to this. This is a faster model. This is what we recommend. All right, so they'll do that. And we also have this automated PDF generation option where you can set your logo image and change the colors and title, all that stuff for your PDF. All right, this is only for the header and footer section of the PDF. And everywhere else, all other things you can customize at PDF level. So you don't have to do that here, right? So these are the steps you need to complete first. That's it for now. As you can tell, I'm super excited about what we have done. This is just the first version. You can imagine where we are going to take this as we continue to make it better. We already have so many ideas, so many things that we plan on doing with this AI add-on, including ability to, create welcome email, ability to set up follow-up emails, right? Your entire email sequence for your product. There are so many different things we can do with AI now. And that's exactly what we will be doing. And I'm going to say this again. Now that a lot of people are using AI to do stuff, right? So if you just use AI and you create your product, great, you can create it very quickly. Like I showed you, in minutes, you can create your products now, courses, challenges, PDF, eBook, whatever you want, you can quickly create it using DAP. Now, what is going to help you differentiate what you create from someone else using AI to do the same thing? The main thing is you, right? Your unique skills, your unique experiences, your story, your ability to get people results, your ability to connect with people, your ability to really help people get results. Those are the things that will help differentiate your product, your content from someone else doing the same thing. So don't blindly use AI content. Use it as a starting step to create your content, get it done quickly, and use it to test out your membership site and create a few products, set up everything. But don't just use AI, right? Don't just blindly use AI content. Add your experiences to it. Add what you know about the topic, right? Create your outline, but update it based on your knowledge, your experience, your skills. And it has to shine through, right? Your passion has to come across in the content that you create. If you don't do that, your content is not going to stand out, right? Everyone is using AI, so why should someone else buy your stuff? So keep this in mind as you use the AI features in DAP. We are going to keep making it better. That's our main goal. We want our users to have the best tools. We are going to keep evolving our products. We're going to keep making it better based on the changing needs of the marketplace. So you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is use the best tools, create your product, get your stuff launched quickly, because if you have an idea and you're sitting on it, someone else is going to get it out there before you, right? So you don't want to do that. So create your products, get it launched quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this, and I will be publishing a lot more videos because there's a lot happening in our world with DAP, with SQB and all our products. So be sure to keep an eye here. My name is Veena Prashant. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.